Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then select here slow motion, and by tapping on this button you can enable or disable super slow motion, which changes like your frame rate from 240 FPS to 960 FPS basically, and that's how you can change its speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.